Back, inserting a JPG image into a Microsoft Word document is quick and straightforward. So open your document and click where you want the image to be appeared, and then go to the insert tab on the ribbon at the top and click on the pictures or this device in a new version of the window. And now browse your computer to find your JPEG image. I'll be having an image at my desktop, and then you need to select it and click insert. So this is quite simple and easy. You can resize image from this white dot. Drag your mouse inward, outward to resize the image. You can select the layout option, click the square, and you can move this image anywhere on the page. In another way, you need to right click on the JPEG image on your computer desktop and click on the copy, or you can either select the press Ctrl plus C to copy it. And now go back to your document, place the cursor where you want to paste the image and press Ctrl V to paste it like this one. In another way, you need to open the file explorer, or you can navigate to the folder where your JPG image is saved. Then you need to click it and hold the image file and drag it to over your Word document like this one, and release the mouse button where you want to place it like this one. So with these way, you can easily insert JPEG image in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.